Are you someone with years of experience in a non technical role but dreaming of making a shift to the software industry? If yes, this video is just for you. Today, I'll guide you through actionable steps to transition your career from non technical to technical, no matter your background. Let's get started. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. The software industry is growing rapidly, offering high paying jobs, flexible work environments, and endless learning opportunities. And the good news? A non technical background isn't a barrier, it's just a stepping stone. The first step is to explore what excites you within the tech field. It could be coding, software testing, data analysis, UI UX design, or even project management. Each role requires specific skills, so understanding your interest is crucial to choosing the right path. Begin by learning the basics. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer beginner friendly courses in programming, languages like Python, JavaScript, or SQL. For non coding roles like testing or design, explore tools like Selenium for automation testing or Figma for UI UX design. Once you've built a foundation, it's time to practice. Work on small projects, contribute to open source platforms, or even build a portfolio. For example, if you're interested in testing, start with tools like Selenium or Playwright to create basic test cases. If it's coding, try creating simple apps or websites. Networking plays a vital role in career transitions. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn, join tech meetups, or participate in webinars. Having a mentor who's already in the tech field can accelerate your journey by providing guidance and support. Certifications are a great way to showcase your skills. Enroll in bootcamps or certification programs like Google IT Support, AWS Certified Solutions Architect, or ISTQB for testing. These credentials not only enhance your knowledge but also boost your resume. Update your resume to highlight transferable skills from your non technical experience. For example, communication, problem solving, or project management are highly valued in tech roles. Apply to entry level positions, internships, or even freelance gigs to get your foot in the door. Remember, the transition from non technical to technical requires effort, but it's absolutely achievable. With the right mindset and consistent learning, you can build a successful career in the software industry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Let's make your dream of joining the tech industry a reality.